Hello, we are Team 9 and we are presenting a proposed transformation for the CSAA Insurance Group. In this presentation, we will walk through some factors influencing the property and casualty insurance industry, the areas of opportunity within CSAA, and then go into the details of our proposed transformation. The property and casualty insurance industry is mature, with over 3,600 businesses and annual premium revenue of around $590 billion. As estimated in 2015. The competitive pressure is enormous. Despite of the commoditized large-scale players, the industry has a steady growth rate of 4% annually, and insurers generally have very strong loss reserves on their balance sheets. In conducting the PESTEL analysis, all areas provided insight on influences that could alter the P&C industry. Of those identified, the technological area had the highest potential to transform the industry and offer cutting-edge innovations that can significantly enhance risk segmentation through predictive analytics. Major industry players are investing large amounts of cash in innovative technology that can quickly turn market share. The other main area of concern is the social aspect of PESTEL. With each generation, new challenges in capturing and retaining consumers must be considered. Distribution channels and satisfaction criteria will consistently morph to match the needs of the new consumers. Also, generations differ in risk assessments, financial challenges, and general demographics. Convenience and price will prove to be major factors in decision-making for future generations. Effective segmentation of these customers through analytics will provide organizations with a competitive advantage. In reference to Porter's 5 competitive forces, the factor that maintains the most influence over the industry is the bargaining power of buyers, which is fueled by the availability of competitive rivals. Customers seeking an insurance provider have an abundance of options and will select one based on any number of criteria. Industry players must tailor to the buyer's needs and look for innovative methods of sales and service to persuade them. Keeping in mind that the major industry factors revolve around building relationships to acquire and retain customers, when looking at CSAA's business model canvas, it is easy to see that the customer-oriented elements were focal points. By offering exclusive and reliable products to AAA members in a personal and sympathetic fashion, CSAA establishes long-lasting relationships through strong channel partnerships with the clubs. However, recent alterations in the CSAA business model have created challenges in serving customers. The spin-off of CSAA from the AAA Northern California, Nevada, and Utah Club in 2011 to create a club-neutral P&C insurance carrier has separated CSAA from access to the club's instance of Salesforce.com, used for sales, service, and marketing functions. After the split from the NCNU Club, CSAA was left with an aging technology portfolio and no CRM system. Then, with CSAA's acquisition of East Coast-based Mid-Atlantic Insurance Group, or MEG, a second technology portfolio was added to the mix, requiring CSAA to take on a multi-year portfolio transformation to modernize and integrate business processes throughout the merged organization. This gap left a huge opportunity for CSAA, as developing relationships to reach customers is key in executing CSAA's corporate strategy. Without a CRM system to help provide efficient and effective service, capturing and retaining customers has proven to be challenging and costly. The current state, or as-is, process of establishing relationships with customers is through the marketing, service, and sales functions, each operating to serve the customer independently of one another, without the link of a CRM system. The National Marketing Department distributes leads to the sales teams at CSAA and clubs manually through email. These leads are obtained through campaigns that are not traceable through sales activities. Effectiveness is measured not by information, but through tracking of letter codes and dedicated toll-free numbers. This lack of fact-based information leads to decision-making based on leadership opinions rather than hard data. The sales team's pipeline management is not automated, so there is no monolithic management systems for leads and opportunities, leaving it up to the agents and supervisors to improvise with tools such as spreadsheets and to-do lists. Cross-selling and upselling are not customer-centric and may be attempted at the wrong time for the customer based on lack of agent knowledge of the customer and/or interaction history. Service is provided inefficiently due to the extensive time wasted in locating customer records and general information. Case history, interaction history, and customer information, call reasons are all pieces of information that are currently captured but are spread across multiple applications, forcing the service team to dig for information. Furthermore, AAA service being provided by the clubs often receive calls regarding insurance. However, this information is not available and calls must be transferred, wasting further customer time. Here, we visually depict the as-is state of the business system. We can see that the functional areas working independently of one another are creating inefficiencies that are amplified by outdated methods and technologies which lack integrations. The as-is infrastructure clearly leaves some major gaps across functions and creates obstacles in delivering a customer-centric experience. The transformation that we are proposing is the implementation of a member relationship management system, a form of a customer relationship management system, to better align the marketing, sales, and service functions. To increase the effectiveness of this MRM implementation, a customer master data or master data management initiative should be performed in tandem to store all customer profile and preferences. This strategy will enhance the analytics and predictive capabilities to provide CSAA organization with insights across customer segments. The key objectives of this MRM system will focus on improving customer service through efficiency and effectiveness improvements, creating a customer 360 view, essentially a member profile to assist in sales and service transactions, aligning sales and marketing initiatives for increased understanding of marketing campaign effectiveness, and developing leads and opportunity management capabilities. Several system providers were considered in deciding which MRM would be the best fit for CSAA. These included Pegasystems, Salesforce.com, an internal option through AAA National, or a homegrown solution using IBM tools. Ultimately, Pegasystems was chosen as the best fit for CSAA as they provide the flexibility to allow channel integrations of insurance with club applications, an expedited go-to-market development plan through existing insurance industry and marketing frameworks, as well as an out-of-the-box user interface with embedded mobile, web, and PC channel views that are all based on a single set of business rules. Previous implementation experience within the P&C insurance industry, and finally, strong consulting partnerships which offer the availability of skilled resources needed to complete an implementation of the scale within the desired timeframes. In the future state or 2B process, marketing will be fully integrated with the sales funnel process, including lead and opportunity follow-up and attribution, allowing campaign effectiveness to be fact-based, thereby making campaign dollars spent more effectively and efficiently. Lead distribution will be accomplished through a system resulting in sales pipeline management and more closed sales. Closed sales will be traceable to campaigns and other sources as marketing data will be available to sales agents. In sales, there will be an automated pipeline through management systems for leads and opportunities, giving sales agents and supervisors the tools they need to be proactive. We propose the integration of a digital application process versus using faxed applications, giving more timely, uniform access to club agents, CSAA sales agents, the underwriting departments, etc. Cross-selling and upselling will be tailored to a customer or prospect mood stamp, making them more customer-centric. Service will be provided with a customer 360 view to show a full interaction history, customer attributes, customer profile, and customer preferences, which will be screen popped based on incoming registered telephone number in the customer profile. All interactions with customers will be available to both club and CSAA agents. A single UI will display data from multiple internal apps using APIs and will trigger events to store updates across apps as needed, keeping data better in sync. As you can see here, capture and use of the customer data through the customer lifecycle and integrating all aspects service engines will drive alignment focused on the customer. Agents will once again have the tools to serve customers efficiently and effectively, tailoring the interaction to the needs of the customer. Many areas of the company will be impacted by the new functionalities that allow agents to have a more customer-centric approach. Customer value will be created with improved service management. The transformation will streamline agent navigation of customer information, It will improve first call resolution, interaction effectiveness, capture of member preferences, and provide a single view with the Customer 360. Self-service digital capabilities, including mobile applications, will be available as part of the MRM. Profitability will see direct benefits by increasing retention and improving growth rates with more efficient services and quality customer referrals. Automated sales and pipeline management, marketing lead and opportunity management, as well as integrated sales funnel activities between the customer, club agents, CSAA sales agents, and underwriting will result in increased sales close rates. Expense reduction will be improved by enhancing fraud detection that will decrease the insurance loss ratio. Process redesign will reduce underwriting expenses through the use of new predictive analytics. Customer preferences collected on MDM will allow reduced mailing expenses for e-billing and e-communication versus mailed. The cost to the company will be related to labor, infrastructure, and software licenses required to support the new PEGA MRM system. With the labor force needed to properly train and successfully roll out the system, the costs will be substantial, but the benefits will far outweigh the costs. The brand of CSAA will thrive even further beyond the reputable AAA notoriety that exists today. The MRM system will catapult CSAA's capability to deepen relationships with members and grow market share. The fully operational system will be an effective learning tool that makes it easy to train existing staff. Having an informational system with the transformational impact of CSAA's PEGA MRM system will be a resource to retain current talent and potentially attract outside candidates. Market share is a challenge in the P&C insurance industry, which is saturated with numerous providers. CSAA will make strides in gaining market share by capitalizing on customer loyalty, cross-selling opportunities, outstanding service, and the ease of club agents to do business with CSAA. The value will be accounted for in the success measures captured within the balanced scorecard. In the area of learning and growth, qualitative feedback will be provided through satisfaction surveys and consumer preferences. Call reason tracking resulting in process improvements, and information sharing with clubs will enhance customer insights. From an internal perspective, the capability to measure marketing campaign effectiveness will assist in fact-based decision-making. More effective lead distribution to sales teams and AAA clubs will assist in increasing sales, and automated case workflow making handoffs more efficient. Customer perspective will improve dramatically. The Customer 360 will improve call center quality and efficiency by allowing agents to view important details about customers right when they answer a call. This improvement in customer service through the 360 view will also enhance branding, as customer satisfaction should increase and the perception of the organization can be captured. From a financial performance perspective, improvement in the quality of conversation will make time spent by agents more effective. A reduction in insurance loss ratio will be achieved using effective analytics techniques through centralized data. Reduction in underwriting expenses will be realized through improved risk assessment capabilities. And lastly, CSAA will realize an increase in premium revenues through referrals, more effective marketing, and cross-sell/upsell activities. The transformational impact will be measured by monitoring the following key performance indicators: call reason trends, net promoter scores or customer loyalty, insurance loss ratio, customer service ratings, call handling time, cost of customer acquisition, customer retention percentage, and finally, premium revenue growth. In closing, our transformation will create value by improving customer satisfaction, enhancing profits, reducing expenses, and improving business processes. These are well aligned with CSAA's missions and goals of making insurance simple, proactive, and personal, enhancing our member-centric platform, expanding distribution, enhancing digital offerings, and providing the perfect customer experience to our members. The new CSAA MRM system will have a transformational impact on the organization's success by creating value for the members and ultimately capturing a larger market share of the P&C insurance industry. Thank you very much for your time and attention. This concludes our presentation.